Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list on apartments.com. So first, you may want to head over to apartments.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. If you still don't have an existing account, make sure that you create one. And once you're logged into your account, at the top right corner of your screen, you should see a add a property button. So click on it. Now from here, you're just going to need to fill in details and few information about the property you're about to list. Choose what kind of property is it, if it's a home, condo, townhome, or apartment. Also choose if the property includes individual rooms for rent with a shared living space, and of course, add in the address for your property. Then proceed by clicking on Add Your Property. You might be prompted to verify your email address. From there, all you have to do is follow all the on screen prompts, provide all the details being asked, and finalize listing of your property. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!